Hello guys, I'm Shanmugapriya, lecturer from SNS College of Allied Health Science. Today we are going to continue with the topic animal tissues, and in that we have already seen about the types of tissues, the basic types of tissues like epithelial tissue, connective tissue, and muscular tissue as well as nervous tissue. In this class, we will be seeing about tissue regeneration. So, the extent to which regeneration is possible depends on the normal rate of physiological turnover of particular type of cell. Those with rapid turnover regenerate most effectively. The most three common types of tissue regeneration are liable cells, stable cell, and permanent cells. Liable cells are those in which a replication is normally a continuous process. They include cells in epithelium, for example, skin, mucous membrane, secretory glands, ducts, uterus, lining bone marrow, blood, spleen, then lymphoid tissue, etc. But stable cells have retained the ability to replicate but do so infrequently. They include liver, kidney, pancreatic cells, fibroblast, smooth muscle cells, and then osteoblast and osteoclast in the bones, of course. Then the permanent cell. So these permanent cells are unable to replicate after normal growth is complete. They may include nerve cells like neurons, and then skeletal and also cardiac muscle. Next, we are going to see about sorry. So next we are going to see about the glands. So glands are the group of epithelial cells which produce specialized secretions, and the most important types of glands are exocrine glands and endocrine glands. So this exocrine gland are the glands that produce and secrete substances onto the epithelial surface by way of a duct. Example: sweat, salivary, mammary, lacrimal, sebaceous, and as well as mucous glands. These endocrine glands are ductless glands, are the glands of endocrine system that secrete their products like hormones directly into the bloodstream rather than through the duct. Example: pineal gland, pituitary gland, pancreas, ovaries, testis, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland. Then also we have like hypothalamus, adrenal gland, etc. These are the endocrine gland example. As the image depicts the exocrine gland and also about the endocrine gland. So in short, the exocrine glands are those glands that secrete substances onto epithelial surface, and endocrine glands are those glands that secrete hormones directly into the blood. And also now we are going to see the definition and the types of membrane. So the membranes are the sheet of epithelial tissue and their supporting connective tissue that covers or line the internal structures or cavities, and these are called as membranes. There are main three types of membrane called mucous membrane, synovial, and cutaneous membrane. Mucus, serous, synovial, and cutaneous membrane. Mucus is usually, you can see the image. So mucus image is also shown, serous and as well as synovial. So till now we have discussed about the definition of tissue, that is group of cells that form together to perform a specific function, and these tissues group together to form an organ. So, and also we have seen about the types of tissues like epithelial, connective, connective muscular and then nervous tissue. And in this section we have already seen about tissue regeneration as well as about glands. In the next class we will continue with the types of membranes. Thank you.